In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Thieve and Pipiads. Now, whether you're running dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or anything else, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and also being able to learn from your competitors can be a game changer for your business. At the same time, if you pick the wrong tool, that's a great way to waste a lot of time and a lot of money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision. Because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery, supplier database, pricing and subscription, automation features, and much, much more. Now, for your convenience, I've included the links to both of them in the description below so you can check them out, and let's get started. Thieve stands out with its visually driven product discovery interface, which is particularly appealing for users who prioritize aesthetic and trending products. The platform primarily focuses on products with high potential for social media appeal and consumer interest, showcasing them through high quality images and user ratings. However, it does lack some of the deeper filtering options that you get with other tools, instead focuses on simplicity and visual appeal. What about the market analysis? Well, market analysis in Thieve is somewhat limited compared to more analytical tools. It provides basic information on popularity and trends through user engagement and likes on the platform. This approach is useful for quickly gauging customer interest, but it does not offer deep dive data like competitive analysis or detailed sales projections. What about integration with other platforms? Well, Thieve offers straightforward integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products they identify on the platform. However, its integration features are not as extensive or versatile as some other tools that also support WooCommerce and other e-commerce platforms. What about supplier database? Well, Thieve does not provide a dedicated supplier database or detailed supplier information because that's not its focus. It focuses primarily on product discovery from AliExpress. Users looking for an in-depth supplier vetting and relationship might not like this aspect of Thieve, but let's talk about their pricing and profitability tools. The platform includes basic tools to estimate your potential profit in your business. However, these tools aren't quite as robust or detailed as some of the more comprehensive dropshipping tools, which I've talked about on this channel in other videos, where users can adjust various costs and logistics considerations and help decide which product is better for them. As far as user interface and ease of use goes, Thieve excels in its user interface, which is clean, modern, and exceptionally user-friendly. The emphasis on visual presentation makes it really easy and enjoyable for new users to browse and select products based on visual appeal and market trends. Now, one of the most important things is customer support and community. Customer support is available through email. It might not be as immediate as platforms offering live chat support. Thieve has a growing community on social media, and it fosters a network of people who share tips and product success. So if you want to be part of a good community of people that are willing to share information with you, Thieve is a great one. Now, what about their pricing structure? Well, Thieve operates on a subscription basis with different tiers that cater to different needs depending on your user engagement. Now, they do have a free version that you can actually sign up and try out using the link in the description. But after that, they do have a pro plan that currently costs $49 a month. And so you can actually try that out for free right now using the link in the description. What about automation features? Well, automation features in Thieve are minimal, with the main focus being on product discovery rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations like automated order processing or inventory management. Now let's talk about their analytics and reporting. Thieve provides minimal analytics and reporting features. It focuses more on curation and presentation of products rather than the detailed business intelligence. Now, if you're interested in using Thieve on your phone, unfortunately they don't have a mobile app at this moment, but that might change in the future. As far as customer reviews and feedback, user feedback for Thieve is generally positive, particularly for its ease of use interface and appealing product selection, but some users do express that they'd like to have more comprehensive features like enhanced market analysis and better integration options. Overall, Thieve is a solid option for dropshippers who prioritize a visually appealing, easy to use platform for discovering trending products on AliExpress. While it offers excellent product curation, it may not satisfy people looking for detailed analytics or extensive e-commerce platform integration. Its appeal lies in its simplicity and focus on visual discovery, making it ideal for new people that are trying dropshipping. If you're a new beginner, if you want to start a dropshipping business, then Thieve would really be a great tool that you can use to get you started. Pipiads is particularly strong in identifying trends on TikTok, as you can probably tell based on their page right here. This is really useful and powerful for dropshippers that are looking to capitalize on viral trends. The platform provides detailed insights into which products are gaining traction through successful advertising campaigns, allowing users to discover potential bestsellers before they hit the mainstream market. So what about their market analysis? Market analysis with Pipiads is tightly integrated with TikTok's advertising landscape. It offers detailed analytics on ad performance, including viewer engagement, reach, and demographic information. This enables users to understand not just what products are popular, but why they're popular and how to position them effectively in their own marketing campaigns. But how does it integrate with other platforms? Well, Pipiads primarily serves as an ad spy tool, and it does not directly integrate with e-commerce platforms for product management or listing. However, the insights gained can be used to inform product selections and marketing strategies, no matter what platform you use, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other platform. As far as supplier database goes, Pipiads does not include a supplier database. Once again, it's not really focused on the day-to-day management of a dropshipping business. It focuses on the advertising side of it, so it provides insights rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations. Users will need to source their own suppliers or use another tool in conjunction with Pipiads if you want to manage your supply. As far as pricing and profitability tools that are offered, the tool doesn't actually traditionally offer pricing and profitability calculators. That's not really the goal of Pipiads, but you can infer the potential profit margins based on the performance and engagement metrics of your ads for similar products, so that can give you a rough idea of what the profits might look like. User interface and ease of use for Pipiads is generally considered pretty good. It's designed specifically for users that are interested in leveraging TikTok ads. The platform's layout makes it simple to find and analyze high-performing ads, and they also have lots of filters that you can use to narrow down your search results based on different criteria. What about the customer support and community? Well, customer support for Pipiads is available via email and live chat. Additionally, they also have a community where members can share their insights and strategies, especially for maximizing the your profitability and performance for your TikTok ads for dropshipping. But let's talk about their pricing, because I'm sure you're interested in that. As you can see, Pipiads offers a subscription model like a lot of other tools. So they have the monthly as well as annual plan. If you pay annually, you can save 30%. So if you're serious about using Pipiads for your dropshipping business, to run ads on TikTok, to analyze them and find trends, I would get the annual plan. You can save a lot of money. It's definitely worth it. And as you can see, they have the starter plan starting at $77 a month, and it goes all the way up to Pro at $263, and their most popular is actually the VIP, which is in between these two at $155 a month. As you can see, what's included in each of them, the number of ads per query goes up as you buy the more expensive plan, all the way up to 5,000. Everything pretty much goes up. With Pro, you actually get everything for not just one person, but for 5 people. So if you're running a bigger operation, Pro might be the better option for you. What about the automation features? Well, Pipiads doesn't offer automation in the traditional sense of dropshipping operations. It automates the process of discovering and tracking successful TikTok advertisements, which can save you a lot of time and effort if you're doing market research. For analytics and reporting, they excel in providing detailed information on TikTok ad campaigns, so I can help you find out which is successful and which is not, as well as the conversion potential. Unfortunately, Pipiads does not currently have a mobile app, so if you are planning on using something like this on your phone, then Pipiads is not the right platform for you. But if you're using your laptop anyway, your computer, then that doesn't matter. But what do users say? What's the feedback? What are the reviews like? Well, the general reception of Pipiads is that it's pretty good, especially if you're focused on TikTok ads, which is kind of niche. As you can see on the page right here, Pipiads is simply the perfect tool for product research, the best investment you can make for your e-commerce business to access the latest products and creatives of the moment. So it's definitely a popular platform that a lot of people really like. It's got great reviews and a lot of well-known dropshippers are using them in their business. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.